In this video we will show you how to use Google Sheets effectively. This is a step-by-step guide for the beginners. You are going to learn: what is Google Sheets? Why you should use Google Sheets? How to create Google Sheets? What are the key terminology and the fundamental concept of Google Sheets? How to work with data, row and columns? How to add, delete and rename sheets? How to add note and comment in your spreadsheets? How to share your Google Sheets? How to download your Google Sheets? How to email your Google Sheets? How to make specific Google Sheets available offline. Hi, welcome to DataBlip. And let's start learning. What is Google Sheets? Google Sheets is a free, web-based spreadsheet application that is provided by Google within the Google Drive service. That means you open it in your browser window like a regular web page, but you have all the functionality of a full spreadsheet application for doing powerful data analysis. Why you should use Google Sheets? It is free and easy to use. It is cloud-based and works from any device. It is collaborative, so team members can see and work with the same spreadsheet in real time. It has enough features to do complex analysis. How to create Google Sheets? Step 1. Log into Google Drive. Google Sheets is available inside Google Drive, so you have to log into Google Drive first. Search with Google Drive and click on the appropriate search result, which will take you to Google Drive. You need to enter your Gmail ID and password to log in. Step 2. Create a spreadsheet. Click on plus New button. This will create and open your new spreadsheet. You can rename your sheet in the top left corner. Click on where it says Untitled Spreadsheet and type in whatever name you want to give your sheet, in this example DataBlip sheet. So let's introduce some key terminology and the fundamental concept upon which spreadsheets work. There are two menu rows above the sheet. Each sheet has cells, columns and rows. Cell is a single data point. Cells allow you to store data and make calculations based on the data in other cells. Column, a vertical range of cells. Columns are indicated alphabetically. Row, a horizontal range of cells. Rows are indicated numerically. Range, a selection of multiple cells that runs across a column, row or a combination of both. Worksheet, sets of columns and rows that make up a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet, it is the entire document. One spreadsheet can have more than one worksheet. Function, a built-in feature in Google Sheet that is used to calculate values and manipulate data. Formula, a combination of functions, columns, rows, cells, and ranges that are used to obtain a specific end result. How to work with data, row and columns. Entering data. Click any cell and you'll see a blue box around the cell to indicate it's highlighted. Then you can simply start typing. Hit enter when you've finished entering data and you'll move down to the next cell. Selecting data. Clicking once on the cell highlights the whole cell. Clicking twice enters into the cell, so you can select or work with the data only. Deleting data. To delete the data we just entered, either click the cell once and hit the delete key or click the cell twice and then press the delete key until all your data is cleared out. Now you will learn changing the size of rows and columns. To change the height of a row, hover your cursor over the gray line denoting the edge of the row. To change the width of a column, hover your cursor over the gray line denoting the edge of the column. Now you will learn insert additional rows and columns. To insert additional rows, click on the existing row next to where you'd like to insert a new row. To insert additional columns, click on the existing column next to where you'd like to insert a new column. How to add, delete, and rename sheets. Click the big plus button in the bottom left of your Google Sheet to add a new sheet. To rename a sheet, click the small arrow next to the name, for example, Sheet 1, to bring up the menu. Here you'll see the option to rename sheets. Here you'll also see the option to delete and hide sheets. Go to View menu and unhide sheet. How to add note and comment in your spreadsheets. How to delete those. You can add simple notes to cells as well if you wish. You can also add comment and tag people via their email address who you want to see the comment to. They can reply and mark it resolved once it's been acted upon. You can delete notes this way. You can delete comment this way. The difference between notes and comments in Google Sheets is that notes are just a text box where you can enter information. Comments, on the other hand, are also text boxes, but these are more dynamic. With comments, you can see comment history, tag others, and reply to comments other people have left. How to share your Google Sheets. You can find the Share function under the File tab. Select the Share option and enter email addresses of those whom you wish to access the spreadsheets. You'll note that you can determine whether others can edit, comment, or simply view the document. You'll also see an option to create a shareable link that you can distribute separately. How to download your Google Sheets. If you wish to have a copy of your spreadsheets locally on your computer, select the Download as option under the File tab. You'll have several options, including the ability to download the document as a Microsoft Excel, .xlsx file, or as a PDF, or some more options. Download as PDF this way. Download as CSV this way. How to email your Google Sheets. You'll find this option under the File tab. You may either email collaborators, those with whom you've already chosen to share the spreadsheet, or email the spreadsheet to others as an attachment. Click on the Send button when you are ready to send the email. How to make specific Google Sheets available offline. Go to File, click on Make Available Offline, and click on Turn On button. So, this was a very basic guide on Google Sheets. You can find out the text version of this guide on our blog. The link is in the description. If you have any questions in mind, or if you want a video on any other topic, please let us know in the comment. We publish videos on technology and business guide. Please share and subscribe if you like our videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.